Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export scene collections in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to have your OBS application open on your computer. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu that contains all the essential tools for managing your scene collections. In that upper left area, locate and click on the option labeled Scene Collection. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to managing your scenes. From this menu, you'll want to select Export. This feature allows you to save your entire scene collection as a file that you can back up, share with others, or use on different computers. It's incredibly useful if you want to transfer your OBS setup to another device or keep a backup of your configurations. After clicking Export, a file browser window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll choose the location on your computer where you want to save your exported scene collection file. Take a moment to browse through your computer folders and navigate to the directory where you'd like to store the file. This could be your Documents folder, desktop, or any other location that's easy for you to remember. Once you've selected the destination folder, click the Save button to complete the export process. Your scene collection is now safely saved as a file. Now, if you need to locate the file you just saved, there's a quick way to find it. Head back to the upper left corner of the OBS window and click on File. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Show Recordings. This will open the folder where OBS stores your recordings and exported files, making it easy to access the scene collection you just exported. However, there's another place where your exported file might appear. Sometimes, instead of needing to browse through folders, the exported file will show up directly within OBS itself. To check this, go back to the upper left corner and click on Scene Collection again. Look under the Untitled section in the menu. You might see your exported file listed there, which means it's ready to be imported or used right away without having to search through your computer's file system. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your scene collection in OBS Studio and learnt multiple ways to locate the file afterward. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.